Hi there, this is just a small video just to show you how to make up a reverse easel card from Special Edition Cutting Files Volume V or concept cards. So this is a 5x7 card and it is from Design 1. So as you open your files up, you will see you have card 01, which is the decorated card here, card 02, and then this is your card mat. Now there are 3 more files on this, but they are for a different card, which I'll show you in a bit. So with card 2, you do a mounting fold on the small score line and a valley fold in the center. This part then sticks to card 1. I've already got my tape on, so hopefully I will get that straight. There you go. So that now sticks to that. Sorry if my camera goes out of focus. Your mat part then will attach to this part, which of course I will use glue, so if it works. So we have a little bit of time just to get it in the right position. And if my video goes wrong now, it means I have to recut everything out, so fingers crossed. Okay, so and then your mat part just sticks onto, attaches onto the bottom. And if I go quiet, it's because I am concentrating, which is a first for me. Your best bet is to wipe off any excess glue, I should say. Okay, so now we have, this is how a reverse easel works. You can of course turn it into a normal easel card by changing this valley fold into a mounting fold, like so it stands as a normal easel card. But we'll go back to the reverse easel. So I've took out some mats. You probably don't really need to see me decorate my card, but I've cut them out now. So that's my mat for my top layer. Okay. Probably should have had all this ready too. Just bear with me. Next time, a note to myself is to get all my mats ready. Right, this piece of card I'm going to use as my stopper, so it needs foam pads on the reverse side. As this then brings the height up slightly, so this attaches and doesn't fall straight back down again. Oops, Butterfingers. It is so nerve-wracking doing videos because once you've started, you can't cut it out again. So as you can see, that's just placed on there, and she's done it too far back. Excuse me a moment. So I just need it in the right place, so that will hook onto it. So just a little bit too far. She's done it again. I am so sorry. And if you hear barking, it's my son winding my dogs up. So try it. That's better. There you go. So finally we've got that in the right place. So now just mat my topper. make sure I get it straight. Of course, if you want, you can foam pad these. The paper kit I'm using is Secrets of the Forest. It's a Papertree collection. So now we'll attach our topper to the top bit of the reverse easel card. Now just pop it down slightly so that when it stands up it has a slight lip on the bottom. And then that just catches on the topper. So as I should. Okay. And that just, like I said, that just catches on the topper and makes the card not fall down. And then just going to put my sentiment on. And then we've got another one just on the top. And then I've also just done some little matching flowers. Just to bring the image down to the bottom of the card design. Maybe put that over there. And there you go. There is your reverse easel card. So you can fold it in an envelope straight flat down, or of course like that, but it does just stand up and just hook underneath the stopper. Now that's the single reverse easel card. Now this is the next file that we have for the reverse easel card. This is a mirror reverse easel card. So as you can see, you have a pattern on both sides as well as the score lines. Then for your mats, you will have two bits for your score lines. So you can see where they go because of where the score lines are. So again, we attach this part. Remember, your mountain fold and then a valley fold. Okay, so again, attach that to the edge of the card. There you go. You can of course decorate these differently. This is just a quick way of putting them together. So this small part goes on the top. I'm afraid I'm not a huge talker, I apologise. So then place that on there and make sure it levels up in the right place. And then the same for the bottom part. Let's lay that down so I don't get glue everywhere. Just put spots of glue around there just so it catches. Okay. And then place the next mat on there. You have to bear in mind I have no idea what the video is showing because I'm concentrating on making my card. So I have my mats and layers again for this card. And this one I've done slightly differently. So again, this is my stopper. Just going to put another one on there. Just seems a bit weak. So see if we can get this in the right place this time. So it just needs to go, if your toppers, because remember if you are pushing the topper on here, it just needs to catch the stopper. So there's my stopper. And then this time we've just got to, instead of full mat layer, we've just got a strip. And I'm just going to place that on there. Okay, and then we just have the mats. And I really hope the stopper is in the right place, otherwise I'm going to look such a wally. Just. Again, just bring that slightly down. Yeah, the stopper really could do with coming forward a little bit, so just bear with me a second. Definitely a way to ruin your cards. I suppose really when I'm making cards I have everything mapped out. There you go. And that will stop that from coming down. And then just got good decorations and another little sentiment. Excuse me a moment. That's better. Then my topper was in the right place. You know what? Never do videos. There you go. And then, yeah, I don't think we want that. I think we're just going to put that on there. Yes, my glue's running out. We really had an upside down owl. And then I think what we'll do, we will just put excuse me, I just quite glue off my card. Sorry, just decided at the last moment to put some gems on the card. The holes are just perfect for gems. Again, on the USB, there are lots of decoration, flowers, and also different sentiments that you can use just to decorate your cards. But for a change, I thought I would use a paper kit. because mainly all our demos are in black and white to show you the designs properly. So sometimes it's nice just to see a paper kit. So as you can see, there is your reverse easel card. So again, because of the shape of it, you could use it as a normal easel card, which would go that way. But the cards are designed for that. And just show you the side. You see it just hooks under the stopper there. Now, I'm not sure my video is actually going to help anybody, but I hope it does. And if you need any of the other concept cards showing because you're unsure of how they go together, then please just send me a message and I'll get a video sorted. Thank you. Bye.